Thank you for tuning in for another episode, everyone. This is the big one. This is the announcement that I've been mentioning before. Dave from Blindman Overland and myself, Jason from Overland Alberta, have had the opportunity to do Alberta's first Outdoor Adventure Expo. That's right, you heard it here first. This is going to be fun, guys. This is going to be really fun. September long weekend. Mark your calendars. This is when it's going to happen. Now, this is COVID pending, of course. We've been told that as of July, we should be able to do outdoor events. September, we decided to go ahead with it. So we want to be the first one to come out and do something. This is going to be great. It's going to have camping. It's going to have great rigs. It's going to have vendors. So make sure you mark your calendars on there, guys. Share this everywhere so that everyone knows that this event is coming. So we first announced it when we had our admin camping weekend and announced it to all the admins that were there for Overland Alberta. And yeah, it was a great weekend, and that's kind of where this video ends up. Take a look. This is the announcement, and make sure you hit the bell notification so you have updates that come up, because we have so many plans coming forward for this activity. Really excited about this, guys. Thanks.
So right now, this is a save the date. So September long weekend 2021, COVID pending. We are putting on a live event, live outdoor event.
And this is going to be a fun event, guys.
Yeah. So save the date. It's going to be fun. We have reached out to a lot of people in general. We've reached out to a lot of vendors. We're going to have some fun activities. But this is your save the date for the moment, so don't plan anything other than that for September long weekend.
And there's going to be lots of camping, so be prepared to camp for the weekend. There's going to be a ton of fun activities.
Yep.
Some pretty cool characters showing up.
Yep.
Good rigs.
Yep.
Good food.
Yeah, there's going to be, it's just going to be a lot of fun, guys. It's going to be a great time to get outside and mingle after the hellish year that some of us have had.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's going to be a blast. So make sure you mark it on your calendars, guys.
Yeah.
September long. We're good to go.
Yeah. We will be as the weeks and the months progress, we're going to be releasing more information. So pay attention to our social medias, to the Overland Alberta page, to the Backpacking Alberta page, to our YouTubes, I guess, as well.
YouTube channels.
And pay attention to Lost Trail Overlanding, because they came out here finally with us. Do you guys remember them from the Four Corners Expedition?
They came a long ways.
Yeah, they drove a considerable ways for this. So we're really excited to share this with everybody. We're really excited to share this with Alberta.
Yeah.
And we've got good feelings about this. So.
And Greg.
Yes.
Adventure 72.
Adventure Quest showed up as well, and I got my Adventure Quest patch. So
oh yeah, awesome stuff.
That pretty well means that I'm legit now.
Yeah, we're legit, because and he's the guy that starts the big fires, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Greg's why everybody stays warm.
Pretty much. Big round of
good one for Greg. Yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us. Thanks for visiting us on this here episode.
Out on another adventure. We're heading out. We're gonna have a really great camping weekend with the admins from Overland Alberta. It's gonna be pretty awesome. We're gonna hammer out a couple of details on a big special announcement that's coming up soon. Everyone's gonna enjoy this one. But anyways, thanks for joining. It's gonna be a great weekend in the mountains. Also, just wanted to do an update. The top is actually doing really good. We moved the rooftop tent back so the air wasn't hitting right on the top up here, and it made a big difference. It made it drivable and livable. So very happy about that. Figured I'd just give you an update. We'll see how the weekend goes. Seven Mile Campground is about 41 minutes west of Caroline. Definitely an easy road to go, so if you want to bring a trailer, this is the perfect spot. not all of our admins could make it to this weekend. We miss you guys, and we'll have to do another weekend just to make it up. Here's Dave and Heather from Lost Trail Overland, and they have a pretty nice setup. You can see they have one of the original Pandos, and it does them really well. They have gone all over the province with this. They have also outfitted this Yukon to suit their overlanding needs, and it's a pretty sweet vehicle. I really enjoyed seeing what they've done to this. And you've got to like the fire pit. The fire pit was pretty cool, and yes, you can buy one. Lost Trail Overland Outfitters has their own website. Check them out, guys. Here is Greg and Janaea's rig. They brought out the trailer, and it was a pretty nice little trailer. Narrow enough to get into some of the areas that you want to go on a backcountry road. They also brought out their Toyota Tundra, and of course Greg has his great fire making skills. Here's Greg's latest toy. It's a Jeep Rubicon, and he's been having a little bit of fun with it lately. Pretty nice Jeep, Greg. And here is Dave from Blindman Overland cooking up a storm on his kitchen setup on the back of his Nissan Frontier. This rig has definitely proven itself. Been a lot of places all over this province. And of course, here's our setup. It's a Jeep Rubicon with a rooftop tent, and it's one of the ways of camping we're going to try out this year. The wives became fast friends. It was really great to see. We all kind of got together, discussed a lot of the future events that are coming out. It was a really, really good weekend to get together to do this. Another beautiful morning on the Overland Alberta camping weekend for the admins. It's really nice out. Sun's coming up over the mountains. That's Corkscrew Mountain in the background. Awesome. Time for coffee. This was sure a beautiful campsite. right, end of day 2, and we're cooking dinner. Tonight is steak night, so I'm pretty happy with our fare. Doing up a bunch of mushrooms to go on to the steak. We're gonna have a nice salad to go with this awesome tenderloin steak. Gonna be good. So figured I'd wander the campsite and see who's all eating what. Dave, what are you doing tonight?
I'm making a jambalaya goulash.
Whoa, that sounds amazing.
And I'm probably gonna put it in some soft tacos. But yeah, I got some jambalaya, some cheese, some sausages, and then I'm gonna cook it up and then add a little bit of egg and then put them in a wrap.
Ooh, that sounds really good.
And right now I'm eating garlic shrimp.
That's awesome. It's gonna be a good night, good feast.
Yep.
Anyways, I can't help but see over here, these guys got some really cool stuff on the go. Check it out.
We just got some basic steaks and some fried veg. We got potatoes, asparagus, zucchini, and onions in the pan with some seasoning. Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy, but it looks amazing.
Okay. Keeping it fresh.
Fresh, that's a good thing to do.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
What are you cooking, Jay?
What am I cooking?
Steak night?
Oh, it's steak night.
Nice.
It is on.
Is it?
We're out steaks all the
You guys
way.
are cooking already?
Oh yeah, we're cooking.
Nice.
Anyways, let's go see what Greg and Janae are up to. Greg and Janae made this awesome shrimp that they're sharing with everybody. It was amazing. So they got the shrimp, and they got, looks like steak. Oh, it's good.
Steak, chicken, garlic bread.
Are you being a nuisance?
Nope, we're finding our dance partner.
And me.
Oh, good.
That makes for the best campsite ever. Thanks, Greg.
On the subs and Wilbur.
It was a good camping weekend. Many plans made, and definitely something that we have to do again. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and the bell notification. You don't want to miss any of the upcoming events.